Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made these 3 beautiful Christmas DIYs. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love to have you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the little bell next to it so that you don't miss another video. These DIYs are super simple and easy to make using mostly Dollar Tree products. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be starting off with these supplies that you see right here. The first thing is this mirrored, the circle mirror that I got from the Dollar Tree. I actually glued 2 of them together, and it's from a different project, so the bottom is kind of like messed up from the glue. And I'm using this wreath, these picks from the Dollar Tree. This ribbon is from Amazon, and I will also link that one for you guys below. So the first thing I did was to fluff out all of the pines on this wreath just to make sure everything was sticking up and looking fuller. You could actually use 2 wreaths to make this even fuller, or use more decorations than I'm about to. So next I just glued my ribbon onto the mirrors. So I had already pre-cut this ribbon, so it's just the right size. Once that was on there, I added some glue to the back of the wreath and placed it right on top of the mirror. Next, I used some wire cutters to cut off the branches off this pick. And once I had my branches, I just basically twisted the pines of the wreath around the branches so that it looked like they were growing out of the wreath. I didn't want to use hot glue because I didn't think it would hold it in place. This was a much more secure way to hold them. Next, I added my ornaments. And you can use whatever decorations you want. I just happened to have these available to me today. And then I'm going to be using some brooches from Totally Dazzled, which I will link for you guys below as well, to add just more decorations and more detail. And this is the final result. I really love how it turned out. I have a candle on it. You can actually use this as a serving tray, and you put like a serving dish on top of it for like candy or hors d'oeuvres or something simple, or you can use it as a centerpiece like I have. The next DIY, I'm going to be using these mirrored bowls from the Dollar Tree, these beautiful snowflakes, and also this giant roll of rose gold diamond wrap from Totally Dazzled. So I wanted to have mostly the mirrored portion showing, so I cut a piece of the diamond wrap only overlapping on one side of the bowl, and I just used some hot glue to put it on top. Next, I just hot glued the snowflake onto the back of it. And there you have it. So I made 2 of these. I'm going to be using them on my wall sconces once I'm in full Christmas mode. Right now they're just on this console table, and I think it looks beautiful because the mirrored finish is really showing through. The snowflake is super beautiful and sparkly. This could be used for wall decor, or you can also use it as a serving dish by having the little snowflake on the side instead of having it at the bottom. So the next DIY, I'm going to be using this cutting board from the Dollar Tree and this greeting card. The greeting card ended up being just the perfect side for the cutting board. So all I did was hot glue that onto the cutting board. And then next I had some branches remaining from earlier, and I added them at the very top. And I added a brooch from Totally Dazzled on top of that. the diamond wrap that I'm going to be using at the bottom, just to kind of tie it all together. I'm going to be attaching that with some hot glue. I really love how this looks. It really blends well with my current decor. Everything turned out really nice. I'm going to be doing a lot more DIYs related to Christmas coming up, so I hope you guys are ready. Let me know which one of these was your favorite in the comments, and I thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. God bless and bye-bye.